Hi folks, today we're going to talk about an emergency motion filed on behalf of plaintiffs in an existing lawsuit regarding New Jersey's sensitive place law. Hi folks, Steve from Martel Training Group. I'm a retired New Jersey State Trooper and I spent time in the Firearms Investigation Unit of the State Police. Today I want to talk about the emergency motion that was filed on behalf of the plaintiffs Siegel and Coons. Mr. Siegel and Mr. Coons, I talked about these cases in greater detail in other videos. I'll put links in the description if you want more information. But basically, these two plaintiffs, their lawsuits have been consolidated into one matter before Judge Bum, District Court, U.S. District Court Judge for New Jersey. She ruled, this case is pending, it's still pending, but she, in December of 2022, when Governor Murphy came out with his what I like to call anti-carry law. This was after the Bruen decision last year. We all know that the Bruen decision in June of 2022 opened the doors for most people who want to carry being able to get a carry permit or a permit to carry as it's known in New Jersey. Before the Bruen decision, it was very difficult, if not impossible, to get a permit to carry for self-protection, to protect yourself and your family. Governor Murphy's response was to create an anti-carry law, which detailed all these sensitive places that you couldn't carry a gun. Basically, the entire state of New Jersey was off limits to carry a gun. It was challenged, went to court. It's been Judge Bum has issued a couple of TROs, temporary restraining orders, saying no, New Jersey, you can't enforce these parts of the law because it's unconstitutional. She recently issued a preliminary injunction saying, until this case is adjudicated, you cannot enforce these places. So there's been a whole list of places that you can now carry pending the outcome of this lawsuit. New Jersey filed an appeal. A different judge issued a reversal of a couple of those areas that Judge Bum issued in her preliminary injunction. So some of the areas, we got some areas back and then we lost some with this appeal. But the bottom line is it's still pending. So they filed an emergency motion for two reasons. One is to amend that original complaint to add in there these interim training requirements. And number two, to issue a TRO or temporary restraining order and preliminary injunction enjoining the unconstitutional training requirements. I just wanted to give everybody an update on what's happening because I know a lot of people are asking questions about this new interim training requirement that was just released. They're saying, well, if I just got my permit to carry 3 months ago, does this apply to me? Do I have to go now get additional training? And the answer is, yeah, most likely you do. You have until October 1st of this year if you read that new law and when things are effective, because they said new training requirements are coming out by July, and we're in July. And the state police released these new training requirements July 18th on their website. And it says that you have until October 1st of this year, 2023, to get them. Now, if you contact your firearms instructor and they say, we trained to those standards when you came to us or me, you did meet those requirements. If that's the case, then you should be good to go. But I would say if you're not sure, you reach out to your firearms instructor who gave you that initial training or that training for your current permit to carry. Find out if you need additional training. I know a lot of people are saying, well, you know what? This emergency motion for a TRO and a preliminary injunction for these new training requirements, they're pending now. So I'm going to wait and see what Judge Bum does with this case. You might be in that situation where you're like, I'm not sure what to do. Contact your firearms instructor. Some people might want to wait and see what happens. So we will see what happens, folks, but I just wanted to give everybody an update. Now, if you have not subscribed to our podcast, please do so because we talk about these issues probably in a more timely manner than I can release the videos. So see the description, the link in the description below, and that will take you to the feed for our podcast if you haven't subscribed already. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please share it with anyone you think will benefit, whether it's your firearms instructor or another person that has a permit to carry or another person that is thinking about a permit to carry. Please share these videos. That's very helpful for us, the channel, to get all this information out there. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.